Hey everybody, welcome back to Stone Mountain Barbecue. I'm Jason, and today we have a special video that we're doing. It's in the afternoon, late evening here, and we're getting ready to cook up some supper. But this video in particular is special because we're teaming up with Rich over at Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia, to do a burger collaboration. Now, we talked a few weeks ago and tried to decide what we were going to do, and we decided on gourmet burgers. Well, I got to thinking about it, and there's really nothing gourmet about anything that I do. It's off the cuff, and we go with the flow. So what I did was I thought about quesadilla burgers. I don't know what Rich is making. I'm sure it's going to be delicious. I've seen some of the huge, great-looking burgers that he's made in the past, so I'm nervous. But we're going to make up some quesadilla burgers, and I think they're going to be delicious. Y'all stick with me. We'll see what we can do. Alright guys, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get a chimney of coals lit up. Now what I'm using is these Frontier tumbleweeds. I've never used any of these. I see a lot of guys using them. Big Lou, if you're watching this, I don't have any instructions or anything like that, so I can't use those. But so we're going to pick these. We picked these up for like $4 at our local grocery store. We're just going to see how quick that lights up, and we're just going to go ahead and get the coals going. Now once those get going, we're going to spread them out, and we're actually going to be using our cast iron griddle on the top of these to sear these burgers up, and then we'll go over some more of the ingredients here in just a second. Alright, see y'all in a bit. Alright guys, here's essentially everything that you're going to need for this. Now if y'all thought that I was going to be making a whole lot of stuff from scratch, well then you should probably go check out some of my other videos. Rich is really good at making sauces and things like that. Me, I'm just too lazy. But I am going to be using this buffalo style ranch, and I chopped this these tomatoes, onions, and green peppers and everything up this morning. I just had this extra container laying around, so I just put them in there. Yeah. We're going to be using some Black Label original bacon. I don't know what that Black Label means. Shredded lettuce. And you see over there we've got some sirloin 90-10 beef. And we've got some Mexican cheese blend. It's got Monterey Jack, cheddar, queso, quesadilla, and I don't know how to say that last word that's on it. You also might see this little thing. I know there's a ton of different ones out there, and I don't even know how to work this one. Anyway, my wife does, and she's probably going to do this, but this is a burger press, and somehow or another this okay, yeah, I don't know how this works. She'll teach me, but this is a burger press. It's a little bit smaller than our tortillas, so once we press them out and get them nice and pretty and round, we're going to flatten them out a little bit. But yeah, that's everything you need, guys, to make a delicious quesadilla burger. I hope. I think. Hey, and by the way, if you didn't already, go check out Rich's video up here. Pause this one, go to this one, watch it, and then come back to this one. Alright, cool. Thanks, guys. I'll see you whenever we're putting this bacon on the griddle. Alright, guys, we got the bacon on here. We're going to go ahead and let this get a little bit crispy before we throw these burgers on. We seasoned the burgers up with just a little bit of that barbecue AP rub. We'll see y'all back once this bacon's done. Alright guys, our bacon is done. It's got this griddle all nice and seasoned up. We are using these burger patties right here. They're 3rd pound patties each, that we pressed out with this press that we have. Like I told you, it does pretty cool things to the burgers. Using that barbecue AP rub on there. There we go. Gonna get these really seared up, and we'll be back with you guys whenever we are throwing some tortillas on here to get them all nice and toasted. See you in a little bit. All right, folks, let's toast up some tortillas. I guess we're just gonna do 2 at a time. All right, to the top of each one of these, this is gonna be 1 quesadilla right here, the 2 of these. So we're gonna go ahead, put down some of our cheese. And we're gonna do that to both sides. So essentially that's our top and our bottom with cheese on it. This is super easy, guys. Hope this recipe is something that you want to try. My inspiration, I guess you could say, came from Applebee's. I really enjoy their quesadilla burger, and this is my take on it. So we're gonna cover this up, let this cheese melt just a little bit, and then I'll be back whenever we're building this thing. All right, guys, our tortillas are crisped up and nice and crunchy. Let's get some of this buffalo style ranch, and we're just gonna kind of go with it on here. Take our bun, or I mean our patty, put it right in the middle. Gonna take a little bit of bacon. And then we're going to throw a little bit of this pico that I chopped this morning right on the top. Now if you want to, you can throw some guacamole on here too. That would be really good also. I don't know why we didn't think about that. And a little bit of shredded lettuce. And then a little bit more of this ranch. We're going to put our top on. There you have it. Quesadilla burger on the Weber Kettle. The patty's a little bit smaller than the tortilla. All tortilla. Let's try again. That's really good. That patty's super juicy. The tomatoes and the onions go really good. That sauce is really good too, so if you don't want to make your own, you can go buy some. But yeah, we're gonna go eat supper. This is a fun little quick video in the afternoon. Wifey helping me out. Her phone going off because she's a really important person. But anyway, guys, be sure to go check out Rich's video. Like I said, it's in the iCard, and I'll put a link down to his channel in the description box down below. Check me out on all of my social media. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like this video, give it a thumbs up anyway. Be sure to subscribe and come back next time, and we'll see what we can do. Thanks, guys. God bless. The dog is chewing his toy.
Did you put the burnt one on there?
What burnt one?
Mine?
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, okay.
I ain't gonna eat your nastiness.
You gonna make me one, or you just gonna like...
Are you still recording me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I really will.
But like, you gonna make me one? Or
Yeah, I got you.
Okay.